As of today, October 15th, Windows 10 has reached its end of support. Do you know if you've upgraded to Windows 11? I can show you a way to find out in 2 seconds. Okay, so end of support does not mean that Windows 10 is going to suddenly stop working. It does mean, however, no more feature upgrades, and way more importantly, no more security patches, which Microsoft issues at least monthly. So to be sure you're on the more secure Windows 11, which is a free upgrade, by the way, for licensed users, here's what you do. You just go to the bottom search bar on your screen here, and you start typing system, and you're going to see this choice for system information here. Now, it likes to pop it up on my other screen, but dragging it over, you see right away that I'm on Windows 11 Enterprise. I've been taken care of. Do this check not only for your business computer, and unfortunately, a lot of companies are still behind the 8 ball on this one, but do it for your personal computer as well. If you find that you're on 10, just go on an online search and say, how do I upgrade to 11? It's really simple. Download the new operating system. It's seamless. It operates very much like 10. It's not going to cause a big disruption in your day-to-day life. Don't fear it. You should fear the cyber attackers more. Get secure by upgrading to Windows 11 today.